When I say I want a new wig, I want a new hairstyle, I want my hair to look like this. Like, look at the bounce. Have a lot of parting space. UNICE definitely did their thing with this one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this really bomb wig that I have on right now. Y'all, this wig is so beautiful. When I tell y'all, UNICE Hair Company is coming through with the quality this year. And I am so excited to tell you guys all about this unit. When I tell y'all, it was so easy to install and the hair feels amazing. Like, I cannot wait to get into the details for y'all. So if you're interested in learning all about this wig, just keep on watching.
Okay guys, so let's jump right into it. This is UNICE's Glueless 13x4 ByeBye Slip BodyWave wig in 24 inches. This is what the inside construction looks like. It comes with tapes on both sides of the lace, as well as a drawstring elastic band in the back. And then it comes with an extra elastic band connected to the lace and a stretchy cap for that secure fit on your head. This wig comes pre-done for you, so it is ready to go with these nice loose body wave curls. The length of this wig is 24 inches, and this wig is 180% density. So as you guys see, the wig was just a little bit big for my head, but that is why I absolutely love these drawstrings that they put in the back of the wig, because look at that. Just by pulling that drawstring a little bit tighter, now that wig fits perfectly on my head. I'm going ahead and brushing those curls out to reveal the waves of this hair. And like I said before, it comes with this really pretty body wave texture, and the hair feels amazing, honestly, y'all. For 180% density, it's really full, and that's one thing I absolutely love. So I'm not a huge fan of tapes on my wigs, so I went ahead and took them off, and I'm going to go ahead and install her like normal. But if you do prefer the tapes, they are already built into the wig for you, so that is an absolute plus. I'm going in with my melting spray, and I'm just spraying that on the hairline, pushing it in with my rat tail comb. And y'all, look at that hairline after being installed, and it only took a few minutes, so that is the really good thing. Because this wig is already pre-done for you, it literally does not take long to install and get it together. So you guys see how the hairline looks now. I think it looks great, but because I plan on wearing this wig for a few days, I'm just going in with my tweezers, and I am tweezing that hairline a little bit more to mimic a natural hairline a little bit more. I'm going in with my wax stick just to smooth that out in my hot comb. And y'all, look at that hairline. It looks so good. I will say this lace is very much giving HD. It is an HD lace. I got up close so you guys can really see it, and it looks so good. The lace is definitely melted. In my opinion, it looks amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side for you guys, and this is how the lace looks once I plucked both sides and both sides are installed. So because that lace is a little bit lighter than my skin complexion, I'm going in with my MAC pressed powder, and I'm adding that around that hairline just to make it blend that much more seamlessly. So as you guys can see, if I wanted to leave this hair like this, I absolutely could. Like, the curls that this hair already comes with are so bomb. It looks so pretty, and the hairline looks amazing, y'all. I keep saying that because UNICE outdid themselves with this one. Like, I really feel like UNICE is taking all our constructive criticism that we tell them, and they are going back to the drawing board every time and getting even better with these wigs. So That's what I'll say. I think that UNICE is definitely upgrading their quality, because every time I haven't worked with UNICE in a little while, but every time I do work with them, it's like their quality gets even better. So that's a plus. We love a company that listens and applies where it is needed. So as you guys can see, I'm going in with my curling iron and I'm just adding some tighter curls to this hair. Of course, you could leave the hair the way it was in that nice little wave, but I wanted to give a little bit of a tighter curl because I do have somewhere to go after this. So I'm just adding some loose curls, nothing too tight, but I do want the curls to be a little bit more defined.
Some days the pressure feels loud in my mind. Shadows calling me back to the old life. Tempted by the things that once felt right, but pieces in the narrow, not the spot.
So once I was done curling that entire head, this is what it looks like. I'm going in with a little bit of holding spray. Like I said, I do have somewhere to go. Well, I had somewhere to go when I filmed this video. So I really wanted those curls to stay and I wanted them to last. And so I sprayed that holding spray all over the hair. And then I went ahead and I brushed through those curls to give my desired loose curl look.
Me clean out, walk unchained. It's discipline daily, it ain't a game. Obedience shining louder than the pain. Yeah, the fight gets real in the midnight, but he's a strength that keeps me upright. Can't play both sides, gotta pick right, and every no is another win.
After brushing through the hair, I instantly started to feel like that girl. Like, I'm like, this hair looks so good. And honestly, y'all, I usually do not wear middle parts. Like, I am a side part girly to death, but this middle part looks so good, and I really love how bouncy and soft this hair is. It looks so good. Like, you can't tell me nothing. I honestly could have just kept it like this. And if you are doing this at home and you do not know how to add layers to your hair, you could absolutely just keep those curls just like that. But I wanted to add a few layers to the front because I wanted the front of that hair to really like frame my face. So I went ahead and I added some layers to the front bang area and then a few layers to the side just to give it a little bit more volume.
Trumpet Memorial Day, no Gregorian, we count y'all's way. Tabernacles, we camp and we praise. Dedication, we light up the flame. Ain't no shame in the war we choose. Turn up time when the moon brand new. We celebrate what the world refused. King on high is the biggest proof.
Add this hair. Oh my gosh. Like, look at the bounce. I added a few layers in the front because y'all know I just have to cut something. Whenever I'm doing my hair, I just gotta cut something, okay? But look at how beautiful this hair is. Like, this is so stinking pretty. And the crazy thing is, I'm not usually a middle part girly. So this is so unusual for me, but I think it looks so pretty, so classy. It's given very much grown woman, and I am loving it. Like, UNICE definitely did their thing with this one. I do want to show you guys because y'all know I'm a side part girly. Usually I will be doing a side part. So if you get this wig and you want to try a side part with it, it does have a lot of parting space, so you can definitely go ahead and do a side part with it. Either side, You could do it on this side or the other side. Whole lot of parting space, y'all. Whole lot of parting space, and we absolutely love that. Y'all, it is so much that I can say right now. UNICE Hair Company has definitely been upgrading their quality, and as you guys can see, it's giving everything it needs to give. Last but definitely not least, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Bio Silk Therapy oil for the hair. Y'all know I swear by this oil for my wigs and for my natural hair because I love how it just gives it a nice shine without weighing the hair down. So just rub that through my fingers, and now I'm just adding it to the hair. And y'all, when I say I want a new wig, I want a new hairstyle, this is what I'm talking about. I want my hair to look like this. Like, I want my hair to look like this. Shout out to UNICE Hair Company for sending me over this bomb, very, very bomb wig. I'm about to go ahead and get dressed. I have an event today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. I'll come back and show you guys the final look once I am all dressed in together. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and got dressed. This sweater that I have on is from Shein. If you guys are interested in it, I will go ahead and link that either here or on my Instagram page. But y'all, this wig is doing everything that it needs to do, okay? I absolutely love it. Y'all know I'm not a middle part girly. Y'all know that. If you watch me frequently, you know I'm not a middle part girly. But it's just something about the way this hair is bouncing and giving me absolute life. It also looks really, really pretty with the sweater that I have on. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will go ahead and leave all the details down below in my description box. Also, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't be afraid. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Give me a thumbs up on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.